What are we doing today, buddy?
In Hawaii.
We're in Hawaii?
Yes.
Where in Hawaii are we?
I don't even know.
We are in the Pearl Harbor Memorial Site. We're here with our whole family. Who's that? Your oldest brother? All right. Shoot some scenery of Hawaii. Slowly, move slowly. If you move too fast, you can't capture that. Now, do we see any Navy ships? Look, I think that's a submarine. You see that? Way in the distance?
I don't see it.
Look, right there. Way in the distance there. That's the submarine.
Ooh.
Old
Awesome old Daisy skater.
Old submarine from World War II.
What the cringe?
Sarah, come get your brother wants a picture.
Go. Go get a picture. Too cool for school. Straight.
Oh my god. Alright.
Do you mind getting a picture of me and my voice?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, you hold the camera.
Good job holding on to your hat, dude. Protected from the wind. This is a memorial, okay?
Let's be careful. And then like put it on.
No, you're fine. He will just warn you a little bit. He didn't mean to take it literally that your hat is going to blow away.
What?
He didn't mean it literally that your hat is going to be blown away. He just said be careful so it doesn't blow away. You know? Sure, look, I'm holding on to it.
Where'd you see the fish?
Too cool for school. Say hi to your mom.
The camera.
I'm being careful.
The Arizona Memorial.
Yeah, but I
You know what it symbolizes? It symbolizes as a memorial to people that lost their lives during the Pearl Harbor attack.
what was
Attack where
Japanese Navy attacked the American Navy that started World War II for U.S.
let's go. I want to go back on the boat.
Here, put that on.
I want to go back.
No, we have to wait. You can't just go back on the boat whenever you want. Let me see.
Wait, when are we gonna get back?
When it's our turn to get back. Boom. Looking all kinds of awesome. Why don't you tell me about your sunglasses?
Well, you're a vendor.
They're Avenger sunglasses. I see the characters. Let's take a closer look. That's pretty cool sunglasses, huh?
On both sides.
There's characters on both sides, huh? Alright, go ahead and put them back on. It's sunny out.
Bendy.
You like my sunglasses too? They're black and purple.
Yes, but I don't like the purple stuff because that's kind of a girl.
You think that's a girl color? I like it because I'm a purple belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, so everything I like right now is purple.
The good thing is that we are wearing a kind of black, kind of red thing.
Yeah. Got a nice cool red and black going. I got black hiking / running shoes.
that's how big you'll see this sticking out. You'll see circles.
That's how big.
That's the stern and then bow.
See, this is what's underneath us right now.
I know I'm being careful, okay? But if you try to take it from me, that's when you're gonna make it fall.
So look down in the water and see,
See?
you see parts of the boat.
You see parts of the boat right there sticking out? That's one of the ships that was sunk.
And that's part of the U.S.
in
Arizona
that
that was stopped.
Stop.
Attach it to your Instagram.
Nope, that ripped. That's gone now. That didn't work. Hold on, this is garbage now. You see that? What is that flag, buddy?
The American flag.
Right here.
That's right.
Oh my
What
god.
you said that was, Mama?
The USS Bowfire.
Oh my god, you just said my name.
Oh, look, too cool for school. There's a submarine over there.
Yeah.
Look around.
Wait. Can I say anything?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys should.
What'd you say?
I thought this is not
Let's walk to the left into that circle, okay? Let's see what's in there. Looks like another part of the memorial, okay?
Now that's crazy. Hey Dad, I hope there's not a World War III.
I hope so as well.
Oh, thank you.
So this one says the United States Navy, Ford Island.
I think there has
United States Navy, USS West
World War
Virginia.
III.
United States Navy, USS Vessel,
Hey, Dad,
USS Tracy,
hey, Dad, is there a
USS
World-
Pruitt,
Dad, is there a
USS Oklahoma.
Dad.
What's up?
Oh, that's not your real name. Dad,
Yeah.
I think that, I forgot what I was gonna get saying.
For the vacation video, buddy, you don't have to pretend like we're shooting a video, okay? I'll just cut and paste whatever we need. Let's just enjoy our vacation and take as much.
OJC Skater, I think that there is a world, I think that you said research, I think that there's a World War III.
World War what? There has not been a World War III, buddy.
Which is awesome. Ooh!
That's basically almost like a map of this island that we're on. Oahu.
Wait, Hawaii?
Well, Hawaii is the state, but the island is called Oahu.
Wait, that's where the island where we are?
Yep,
What we're standing on?
yep. So we're actually in this part right here of the island.
That's,
Somewhere over here.
yeah, somewhere over there. But it can't be here. Oh my God!
Giant anchor, huh? And there's a Navy sailor with his duffel bag.
Here's this guy.
He's a Navy sailor with his duffel bag.
I don't know what this is.
Come on, dude. Keep on walking.
Pearl Harbor virtual reality experience. Of course, this one needs to put his mask on. Mask on.
Right, there you are. That's a crane.
You can give my husband that first.
Hey! Mom! Dad, where are you?
I'm right here, dude.
Dad, I can't see you.
I know, you're watching the
Virtual reality.
virtual reality.